Welcome to the ideology of MMM. Hi, I'm Alex Bathan, 5th batch of Guider School in MMM Philippines from Taal, Batangas. Okay, let's start po. The ideology of life. What is life? Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Tama po kayo. Tayo po ang gumagawa ng sariling istorya ng buhay natin. The truth is you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Life is a crazy ride and nothing is guaranteed. Nasa atin po ang kung anong magiging kinabukasan natin. My mission in life is not merely to survive, but to thrive, and to do so with some passion, some compassion, some humor, and some style. Life is a dream for the wise, a game for the fool, a comedy for the rich, and a tragedy for the poor. The rich become richer, the poor becomes poorer. Para sa mga matatalinong tao, meron silang pangarap sa buhay, kung anong magiging kinabukasan nila, at para sa iba na may isang laro o kaligayahan. Sa panahon ngayon, dito sa Pilipinas, marami sa mga namumuno sa ating lipunan ay walang iniisip kung hindi pansarili lamang. Gaya ng malalaking tao, businessman, o mayayamang politiko na lalo pang nagpapayaman, na hindi kagaya ng mahirap na lalo pang nababaon sa hirap. Kaya po itinatag ni Mr. Sergey Mabrodi ang MMM para makatulong sa mahihirap. Okay, what is MMM? Mabrodi Mondial Movement. Ang MMM ay isang community ng mga tao sa buong mundo na nagtutulungan sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigayan ng pera o donasyon sa bawat isa. Ang atin pong pera o donasyon ay direktang natatanggap ng bawat participants ng MMM. Ang MMM po ay walang central account na humahawak ng pera ng mga participants. Ang owner po ng MMM ay tayong lahat ng mga participants. Lilinawin ko lang po, hindi po ito MLM or networking business or any investment company. Dito po ay kung meron ka pong labis na pera, ay pwede mo po siyang itulong ngayon, tomorrow will also be helped. Founder of MMM. Ang founder po ng MMM ay si Sergey Mabrodi. Isa po siyang Russian genius, mathematician, programmer, successful businessman, developer. Ang MMM po ay nagsimula sa Russia noong 1989. At noong 2011 po, ang MMM ay naging isang global community. At nagsimula po ito sa Pilipinas noong November 2014. How MMM works? MMM uses the same concept like banks, insurance, companies, pension plans, at marami pa. Almost all the financial institutions are structured as financial pyramid. MMM uses the same concept, but the money is equally distributed to all participants. Unlike banks, they only give us very small interest out of our deposit money. MMM is legal. Ang pagpapalitan po ng pera ay hindi bawal. We don't need any permits and contracts when giving to someone else. All we need is honesty and trust among participants. Goals of MMM: financial equality, substitution of modern banking system, help all the people in the world, spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom, create a new fair financial relationship among people. MMM advantages: 30% growth per month for your help MMM. Halimbawa po, meron kang 1,000. Sa loob po ng isang buwan, lalago po ito ng 30%, kaya magiging 1,300 na po ito. 20% up to 100% growth per month for your help if you participate in MMM Extra. Pati po kung magagampanan nila ang mga tungkulin bilang isang MMM participants. Plus $20, plus $50, plus $100, bonuses for first help. Para po ito sa mga bagong magpa-participants, pero depende po sa kanilang unang idodonate. Meron po kayong mga bonuses. Plus 5% bonus for video after get help. Para po ito sa mga gumawa ng video of happiness, letter of happiness, MMM rules and regulations. Mahigpit pong ipinagbabawal ang maraming account. Immediate family members can be your referral, but his or her donation must not exceed yours. Meron po tayong maximum donation, 450,000. Kapag nakapag-donate ka po na 450,000, sa ilang buwan, hindi ka po muna pwede mag-donate. Okay po, marami pong salamat sa MMM. Together we change the world.